After a busy and contentious summer of emergency decisions, the U.S. Supreme Court returns today with a heavy docket for the brand new term.
Karen Kafa has a look at the cases the High Court will hear this term.
The Supreme Court did not get much of a summer break, weighing in over the last 3 months on a number of emergency cases around President Donald Trump's administration and its policies. Now the court's new term, which opened on Monday, also features a docket loaded with key cases that will tackle how much power the president has under the U.S. Constitution and some hot-button social issues. This week, the court will hear another case regarding transgender rights. The justices will hear a challenge to a Colorado law banning so-called conversion therapy, the discredited practice that purports to convert gay or transgender people to be straight, by a licensed counselor in the state who says such restrictions violate the First Amendment. Later in the term, the court will hear arguments in a case involving transgender students playing on school sports teams that align with their gender identity. In November, the Trump administration's trade policies come into focus as the justices consider whether President Trump overstepped his executive authority when he implemented sweeping global tariffs. A federal appeals court ruled this summer that the power to impose taxes is one that belongs to Congress. December and January will bring arguments on two cases brought by leaders at independent government agencies who were fired by President Trump, Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook and a former federal trade commissioner, and whether the president overstepped his authority there. A unanimous decision by the court back in 1935 has protected such commissioners from the whims of the White House. Also on Monday, the Supreme Court rejected an appeal of the criminal conviction of Ghislaine Maxwell, the accomplice of Jeffrey Epstein, currently serving a 20-year federal prison sentence. In Washington, I'm Karen Kafa.